Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Gretchy. I just wanted to make this video to review with you our strings and the chords that we learned yesterday for our ukulele so that you can use this to practice this week. So the first thing I want to show you is just review what our strings should sound like and the names of the strings. Starting with string 4, this is your G string. I want you to check your ukulele and make sure that the strings that I'm plucking, that your strings sound like this. String 3 is your C string. String 2 is your E string. And string 1 is your A string. So when you watch the tuning video on how to tune your ukulele, make sure you're tuning it to what's called standard tuning. Do not tune to open C tuning. Make sure you tune to standard tuning, again, which is G, C, E, and A. The next thing I want to review with you are the two chords that we learned, which is the C chord and the G7 chord. For the C chord, we're only putting fingers on string number 1, our blue string, the string that's furthest down, closest to your belly on your ukulele. What I would do first is place all 3 fingers, finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, in the first 3 boxes. This way you get a good grip. Take off finger 1, take off finger 2, leaving just your ring finger, finger 3, down on the 3rd box. If you strum all 4 strings at the same time, you get a C chord. So what I want you to practice is just going from no fingers and then adding your 3rd finger and playing that C chord. Let's do that a few times. No fingers. Add your 3rd finger. One more time. No fingers. Add your 3rd. The next chord we learned was the G7 chord, which is going to use 3 fingers. On every string, you're going to have to put down a finger except for string 4. String 4 is open. So we're going to do it in order. Finger number 1 goes on string number 2 in the first box. So there's where my finger number 1 goes. Finger number 2 goes on string 3 in the 2nd box. Okay? Finger 1 is on string 2 in the 1st box. Finger 2 is on string 3 in the 2nd box. And your 3rd finger is also going to go in box 2, but you're going to go on string 1. So I'm just going to show you this way so you can see. Finger 1, finger 2, finger 3. Makes like a little triangle. Show that to you one more time. Finger 1, finger 2, finger 3. And when you strum this, that's what your chord should sound like. With the G7 chord, I want you to take your time. I want you to go finger 1. Okay, I've got finger 1 in the right spot. Finger 2, and then finger 3. Always do it in that order so you can make sure that you're playing the correct notes. If you have any questions about these, feel free to email me anytime and we can set up a time that I can help you out. Have a great week and happy practicing!